deal? Look at you.
The Froglodites took her! What do we do?
Blame you.
Feed it a chili dog. Everyone loves chili dogs.
I don't think he can eat solid food.
Well, then put it in the blender.
Well, if you say so.
The chili dog, not the baby!
This pepper. It was a tiny bite, but it gave me this crazy dream. Or maybe it was a dream.
Play that!
What? Who? What? Huh?
Did we wake you?
Isn't New Year's the holiday where you put on a costume and threaten to prank strangers if they don't give you candy?
That's not a holiday. It's extortion.
Now, I'm hearing a lot of words, but I'm not seeing any candy, lady.
In 3, 2, 1.
He's a waif. The orphan of our times. A lost child oblivious to the never-ending sea of despair.
When it drops to the bottom, then it's exactly midnight and the start of the new year. Don't trust her, Knuckles. I told you about the...
I have no mercy. I work in the fast food industry.
Don't ad-lib!
He's pretending to be Sonic again.
Well, I'm not gonna be Amy this time.
These numbers are off the chart. Fortunately, I have a bigger chart.
Nice try, Egghead. Your father would be proud.
Impressive alliteration. You been taking night classes?
Hey, guys. Who's the beefcake? I'm fine, guys, I swear.
I hate it when he does that.
The soup is cold and the salad is hot. How is that even possible?